So hi guys, I am Adithro and you are watching Sports Learners YouTube channel. So today Sharnavo, your cricket mentor, will give you some cricket tips and exercises. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the video.
So hi guys, welcome to our channel Sports Learners, and as you can see it is raining out there, but still today I'm going to bring some of the basic batting drills which I think every one of you know. That is the forward drive. But do you know what are the common mistakes made by almost all cricketers while playing the drive? So today in this drill I will show you how to play forward drive correctly and what are the common mistakes that all the cricketers make. So without wasting any time, let's go forward to the video. So before any drill, we all know that we should do some warm-up, and so in this drill also we have to do a little bit of warm-up and then we will start the drill. So let's start with the warm-up. So now let's start with the drill. But before starting, let's check our grip. So you may ask that grip ये तो बेसिक चीज़ है, ये क्यों दिखा रहे हो? लेकिन ग्रिप देखना एक बैट्समैन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आपका ग्रिप सही नहीं है आप कोई भी शॉट नहीं खेल सकते. तो पहले आपका ग्रिप चेक कर लीजिए. नॉर्मली जो नियम है, आप बैट ज़मीन पे से गिरा दीजिए. गिराने के बाद लेफ्ट हैंड, ये जो नकल है, ये नकल इसमें इसकी तरफ पॉइंट करेगा और वी शेप होगा. और सिमिलरली ये राइट हैंड है, वो भी वी शेप बनाएगा फॉर द राइट हैंड बैट्समैन. एंड नाउ बिफोर after you check the grip, just play some of the shots, either it is cut, pull, any shot, and just check that if you are comfortable or not. And if you feel that if you are comfortable with the shot, then you can easily play all the shots. So now let's go forward. Now standing. Now when you stand, this marker will act as the crease, this marker as the off stump, this as the middle stump, and this as my leg stump. So when you stand, the gap between both the legs should be shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart means जो कंधे का जितना लेंथ है उतना तक ही गैप होगा. Then बैट कहाँ पर रखें? Now you can keep your bat anywhere. If you feel comfortable that you can keep your bat here, you can keep it here. If you feel that if you are comfortable to keep your bat here, then you can keep here, anywhere. But you should be comfortable. So now let's move on. Now the face of the bat should be pointing towards the point. Reason is that if you keep your bat face close like this, if you keep your bat face close, then there can be a possibility that while playing the shot, the back face can just be closed like this, and you can't play the desired shot. And it may also happen that if the ball swung from the position, you may get the edge and it may go to keeper or first base. So try to keep your bat a little open towards point. So it would be easy for you to play the shot and the bat will never close. See, I am also showing you. My back face is open towards the point. And now I am play with a forward drive. Forward defense, not forward drive now, forward defense. See, even if I try to close it will not close. It will still come front and bat will not turn. Now let's move on to forward drive. Now, forward drive and forward defense, these two are related. Why I am saying related? You stand in your stance position, bat lift towards point, bowler is loading. When bowler is loading, just cock your bat so that when the ball pitch, you can give the full force of the bat and you can hit the shot, and so that you can go to a boundary. That's why I am saying to cock your bat like this. I made my cock, bowler is coming. Suppose the ball is pitched on my off stump, I will extend my leg. This is a forward defense, and forward drive, just extend the shot. Just extend the shot. Now I will show you in quick time, because first I showed you forward defense and forward, no. Now I will show you in quick time. You have noticed that I have given the full face of the bat. So what will happen if you give the full face of the bat? There are two reasons. One, if you give the full face of the bat, the ball will generate more power and will go to the boundary easily. And secondly, if you give the full face of the bat, there will be almost negligible chance of edging the ball, because you are taking your leg in the line of the ball, so edging will not happen. Yeah, it may happen that if the ball swung for a lot of distance, but this will not happen in our age cricket. So where the ball is pitched, just try to take your leg in the line of the ball. As this cone is my ball beside, okay, not line. I'm sorry, it's my fault, not line, because अगर आप line पे ले जाके आप खेलोगे कैसे, तो मेरा fault है. So you have to take your leg beside the ball, like this, like this. So before you practice the drill, you can do this one thing first. Just take your leg beside the ball and just bend your leg like this. So automatically the transfer of weight will be set in you and you can easily perform the shot. So once again I am showing you the drill. So I am standing in my stance position, back face towards the point, and bowler is loading. I have cocked my bat and I have to take my leg beside the ball, and you have to take your shoulder in the line of the ball. Suppose this is the ball, so I have to take my shoulder in this line of the ball, in this line of the ball. Again I am showing you, bat face towards point, bat cocked, my leg beside the ball, shoulder in line of the ball, and just you have to extend your hand. Just extend your hand like this. Just if you do this drill in your home, then I am sure you can play the shot and you will get the results also. So I am also, and lastly I want to say that I am still a learner. I am not a coach, I am still a learner, but as far as I learned from my coach, I am bringing these drills to you so that in this lockdown, or not only lockdown, you can just practice these drills at home so that you can improve your batting basics, and when you play the match, you will not fear also, and you can easily score runs. So if you have liked the video, then do not forget to press the thumbs up button, subscribe the channel, and do share this video to all your friends who love cricket. I am sure they would be benefited by this. So thank you very much. Bye.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Sports Learners, and stay with us, stay healthy and stay safe. Goodbye.